Pew, pew, pew. Okay. I can see. Awesome. Let's do this. For once, this sounds wild, but for once I actually have everything set up and ready to go. Again, I know that sounds crazy, but here we are. Thank you. There we go. Hey David, what's up? How you doing? No missing today's stream. Okay. You're on a mission, I love it. Ooh, okay, I'm slowly getting things ready. Slowly. But I can see you were like here on the dot, David. Damn. Have your kids left yet? They're still home? Sorry, waiting for things to wake up. Oh, so slowly. Oh, nice. So now you get to chill. Must be nice. I woke up tired. That's where we are at today. I woke up tired. That's not great. Damn. Meal pie, awesome. Asia low. Nope, not that. There we go. Okay, let's see what today brings. Hey, Rip, what's up? Give me 2 seconds. Done. Cool. Sorry, it's a big thing. Oh, wait, I've lost one last thing. I got one last thing to sort out. Anyways, Rip, what's up? Are you... I don't know, are you going to be trading today with FOMC that's happening? I know some people aren't wanting to trade New York. Okay. Okay, I'm ready to go. Hey Mohammed, what's up? And Aman, trading time? Yes. Chick. That's so mean. Rip. Shame. That's so mean. What do you mean chickens? This is not... I want to say dangerous, but maybe dangerous is the wrong word. Is it not risque? There's an itty bitty imbalance. Open. Not hectic though. Where's New York open? Midnight. Back we go. Below these lows. Okay, cool. There's midnight. Sorry, I'm finding myself. And here's New York low. Awesome sauce. This now done. This now also done. Have a look at that. I'm gonna quickly check the higher time frames, the quick sticks. So let me do that so I don't blind you. David, you don't have to feel bad about missing anything. Running with scissors is dangerous. I mean, yeah, only true trader. What? Come on, teach me a bit of trading as well. I mean, I'm not qualified to be a teacher. Anyways, Ayo Sully, howdy howdy. How was Asia session? Did you get any trades in? Just fogged up my glasses. Hey DK, what's up? How you doing? Now let's go 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. Just have hair everywhere. Okay. That doesn't look great. Slowly going to the bullish side. Where am I? 15. Let's check out the 1 hour. Awesome. Anyways, it is, oh my gosh, it's Wednesday. Only true trader, it's now Wednesday, by the way, just in case. It is officially Wednesday. Not like yesterday. Yesterday was not. It did feel like Wednesday though. Hey House, what's up? Understand myself running with. Oh, that sounds about right. Howdy from your friends in Kenya. From Kenya? That's been awesome. Oh, that's been awesome. That's wow. This is not starting great. We've got this. Okay. Hi from Kenya. Hi from South Africa. How are you doing? No trades yet. Waiting for PM session after news. Oh, okay. Rip that. Okay. Yep, officially the day I refused to trade. Wow. That was. There we go. Thanks, David. I was about to be like, really? 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 What is wrong with some people? I'm doing fine. Looking to take bias today. House, I agree. I'm also a little bit on a bullish bias. I'm not gonna let it affect me though. If we change, if it starts going down, then go with trend. But right now, bias is definitely to the buy side. Maybe tapping into this water block. Let's see. Oop. My Wi-Fi's fine. It's being slow today. Cool. Took out yesterday's New York high. Going through the bob level now. Those of you asking about the bob level, do you see how it literally went level to level? Level, level, level. Now we might be going up a level. Oh no, I don't have another bob level. Well, I have a kind of a bob level. Not much though. I need to mark out more bob levels. Okay, sorry, moving on. That's my random rant for the day done. I got lots of those. When wanting to try this, what would be the first thing I look for? Rob, are you asking... Mr. K, you thinking bearish? Interesting. Anyways. So, Rob, sorry, do you know anything about trading? Let's start with that, maybe. Hey, Super Trader, what's up? Yes, what's up? How am I doing today? I'm good. I'm good. I'm not gonna lie, I woke up tired. Which is not a great start to the day, but it is what it is. 3 a.m. Ooh, I need to get myself together. Okay, there's 3 a.m. done and dusted. High life, London, what are you doing? Hi life, how you doing? Vikram, hi. Elias, you're so sweet. Good morning, ladies and gents. Green Globe Exploration, what up? Not at all. That's some money I've been wanting to invest. Oh, okay. So are you looking more for investing? Not so much day trading. So we're doing day trading here. Investing is a whole different ballgame. Is it? No, it is. It is. Going? Are you asking what my favorite color is? Well, I guess you can't. Damn, Ethan, why couldn't you sleep? Yeah, damn. Hey, Steve. I'm checking out the Nasdaq futures. Ooh, there we go, Rob. Well, then definitely stick around. There's going to be a lot of jargon thrown this way that sounds a little bit overwhelming, if you will, but okay, sorry, I'm focusing for a minute. Believe it or not, it has gone through the resistance. Back int and log, where is even? Oh, there it is. Oh my greatness. Okay, sorry, I focused for a minute. It doesn't happen often, but when I do, I need to be quiet. Maybe the multitasking is not great with me. Let's see what happens. Let's see how big this range is. So we have, oh my, 7 points. Well, that's not a lot at all. Hey! Cassian, what's up? Not as good as Skeletor. Damn, I mean, yeah. Sorry, Red, you gotta get some better jokes. Skeletor brings us jokes every day, and those jokes are amazing. London shows we're going up today. Yep. I do agree, and I do like the buy side. It's such a small range, though. Maybe it's a mistake, maybe it's not a mistake. Shoot, even 10 contracts isn't enough, but... could very easily mitigate risk by half. Rad, do penguins have knees? They do. Indie NYM? Is it? Sorry. I'm waiting to see if it respects. Oh, maybe not. This properly at all. Welcome to FOMC, I guess. What the heck, man? Right back down to opening price. Straight back down to opening price. Instructions. It was nice to trade from that area. 959. Sure, that's quite high up, but yes. Rob, where would you start? Well, I would say... Well, Solly said L. Brooks is a good place to start. Anyone else? You have to find yourself. So I'm trying to decide if I regret my life choices of not taking this or not. Give me a minute. Sorry. Good place to start is finding a strategy that you like and that makes sense to you. That's number one. Number two is then back testing that strategy so that you know the correct execution for it. And then number three, this is more for, you know, my opinion. Some people would agree, some would disagree. In my opinion, it would then be connecting with a prop firm that you save on your capital while you're figuring out trading live. And then when you're funded, you continue. This was like a B setup. It had two. Had two confluences that I liked. And it's not quite pushing up as quickly as I wanted it to. Only true trader, sorry, I don't know. I think purely because of just the two confluences, I should have. I mean, I could, no. I was gonna say I could still get in on this because it looks like it's wanting to mess around slightly. But if it's at this point already... Yep. Don't think there's any point. I should have. I really should have. Waiting to see if there would be a proper ejection off of this level. Well, which there kind of was. Like I said, I still could get into this. That's okay. Hey, Bob. Hey, Bob. Why are you awake? Are you good? You okay, Bob? Hey, Iron. Sorry, I only saw that now. Oh, Leanne, thanks. So sweet. Iron 10th, how are you doing? Only true trader, if I'm being honest, I was a little bit in my head about it. Yeah. That's basically it. That's the only reason. Just need to get out of my head. Hey, Trade Delicious, how are you doing? Oh my, okay. Hey Dom, what's up? Liam, where am I from? Where do you think I'm from? Maybe that's the better question. No pressure. Oh man, my crap, come on! No, I'm just kidding, that's fine. $318, we still have lots of time to trade. I say while regretting not taking my trade. Can I blame it on being half asleep? I feel like that may be a valid... Wait! What strategy may be following as a beginner? Happy tomorrow Eve? Hi. So you're hovering over... Yep. I was hovering over that limit order solidly. You saw it. I was there. I was like, do I do it? Do I do it? I should have done it. Nah. It has hit that resistance level. Let's see if it breaks through or not. I mean, the argument is when it hit that resistance level, I very easily could have gone to break even, so... Whatever. Whatever. It's fine. I'm gonna blame it on not being, wow, I made that extra strong today. We've got this. Ola, are you asking what strategy I use? I use my own pretty simple one. Hey, wow, what you doing? How you doing? I live in the country where a neighbor. Oh, next. Just woke up to 7K in profit and really don't know how. Damn, Dom. Your voice is so loud in the morning, you're so annoying. Listen here, Rip. Listen here. Shh. 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 Sit down. Okay. Wait. I could fake cry if I wanted to. I could make you feel so bad. You think you're good at manipulation? I can fake cry. I can make you feel worse, Rip. Bring it on. But Dom, by the way, that is amazing. You look like I'm a smart person in school. I think. But we're gonna ship her out soon to Australia. Bring it on, Mudcrab. It sounds like a fun time. So Dom, what I'm hearing is you have lots and lots of love to share right now, right? And you want to share it with a kind person. No, I'm completely messing with you. Sully taking around the market will slurp it all back up if you give it a chance. Ooh, you have psychological problems. Ooh. Anthony, listen. Is ICT hard to master? I think it's overwhelming. Wow, in all honesty, it can be quite overwhelming. I think you have to take parts that make sense to you and you just kind of go with it. I'm so sorry. I can see I'm jumping around all over the place today. I apologize. What, did we have a massive move up and now we're just consolidating away? Okay, let's see what 4 brings. Okay. Anyways. But Anthony, what I would recommend is have your rules. Oh, the hiccups are back. Have your rules and stick to those rules. I think that's the best. Why are you so far away? There we go. Is that better? Just realized how far away my microphone was. Rip? Are you good? Did you wake up in a very entertaining mood? Well, holy damn. Moving on, tomorrow I'm waking up to in profit from... Oh damn, David, that's nice. Bob, I'm watching this for ASMR purposes. I can do this. Does that make you feel good? I don't know. Should probably elaborate. Hey! Zahid? Hi? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. How are you doing? Indy, what? Why is the screen so small? Are you on the vertical? Probably that. If you go onto my channel, you'll see there's 2 lives. The other one is a horizontal, and then the screen's a little bit bigger. Just find one thing that works and be disciplined with it. Austin, that's actually really good. You know, for me, I'm sorry, I deviated off of that again, didn't I? Damn, my mind is all over the place. Sorry. What I wanted to say was basically, yeah, have your rules, stick to it, and just consistently stick to it. It's why some days I do want to have like a just screw it day, but then I'm so scared that I ruin up my discipline. Mess up my discipline. This is not starting well at all. Awesome. Damn, David, I see you have your work cut out for you today. What is going on? The cats must have opened the position which made him wake up. Honestly, Sonny, I don't know where that came from, but Rip is on a mission today. Hey, there we go. Indy. Is it okay if I call you Indy? Bob, I need your discipline. Bob, sometimes I think I have discipline, and then other days I'm like, never mind. Like I said, I could have re-entered this, but now I'm starting to question it because it clearly hit that resistance and respected it properly. So is it going to want to break through that resistance level? I'm not sure. Also, Bob, can we just talk about your Bob levels for a minute? I saw this and was like, what the hell? So, well, close Bob level, and then obviously we had a push up into Bob level. It did also obviously hit the NWOG, but then back down. Bob level, tapped. Boom, straight back up. What the heck, man? That is ridiculous. And down, down, down we go. Okay. Maybe sometimes it's not a bad idea to listen to yourself. I mean, I maybe could have had like an itty bitty bit. If I'd gone to break even, would have been able to make like $1. Would be winning in the green. Don't give away my cat. And oh, nice. There we go. Jonathan, how long have I streamed for? I've been streaming when I started trading, which was since April. But crap, I've got 2 kittens that need a new home. Shame, I would love to be able to help them out, but they're a little bit far, David. Did you take your mind from... I don't know what to do when Rip is like this. I'm feeling a little bit like... What the heck, man? Rip, what type of weird mood did you wake up in? Like, this is making me... I'm trying to contain the laughter and the shock, and it's making me want to cry. And the problem is that's getting stuff in my eye, which is hurting my eye, and it's gonna make me cry. So this might be... Ow! Ow! This might be the stream where you guys see me cry, because now Rip has gotten stuff in my eye. Nope, nope, no. I caught myself before I said anything weird there. And no, you guys are nasty. See, I'm crying. Rip, are you happy? You made me cry. Is this revenge for the other day when I was mean to you on stream? Ow. Got sunblock in my eye. Okay, we're good. It's gone. Moving on. No longer crying on stream. We got over it. Moving on. Best regards from Mexico. What did it open at? Mud crab? Like I've missed something. Did it run level to level? Basically, yes, Bob. It did. It ran level to level. The New York Open filled the one level and then came back up, but it did. It ran level. It tapped the NWOG on this level here, but then went straight down, literally just tapped into your level and right back up to the other level. It's now filling this other level though. So let's see what it wants to do. I thought bullish today. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we're going to be a bit bearish. Edward, what's going on here? Ugh, nothing good today. Just absolutely nothing good today. Rip woke up in a weird mood and now we're all weird. I know how to trade them. Not 100% infirm. Wonder what cancer. I'm just thankful we have. Oh. God. Anyways, moving on. Ace Scalper, what's up? Do the glasses always stay on? Edward, I mean, for me to see properly, yes, but in, you know, I used to not wear them. And I didn't realize how blind I was until I wore them as a joke to be like, I actually am supposed to be wearing glasses. And I took them off and then realized I can't see anything. Well, I can, but I would have to like squint to see things, and that's not great. And you know, now the lines are super blurry. You gotta be accurate and precise in trading. So now they stay on so that I don't, you know, I don't look blind. Hey juniors, what's up? Oh, what did the market open at? It opened at 729. 25729. Sorry. But to be honest, my one cat made me lose 3.5k so far by jumping on my keyboard when I was in a drawdown. Oh my gosh. Edward, you're long everything. Should I short some shorts? Edward, sorry, welcome, by the way. This you hopped in at a wild time. Hey Jules, you went with glasses too? Morning, by the way. Yeah, I need them, apparently. Whoop. Okay, so that would have been a loss, so cool. Moving on. Okay. Everything. Edward, sorry. Gosh, okay, I really have to focus. My ADHD is really bad today. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm jumping around a lot. Edward, hi. Sorry, welcome. How long have you been trading for? What do you trade? Welcome to the channel. You've joined on apparently the most chaotic freaking day, but moving on. Sorry. I read something. I read something. Rip said, I'm dying. Okay. Oh, what on earth is gonna happen next today? First I cry, then I nearly die. Okay. Rip, what the heck, man? Okay. Okay. We need to all take a moment. Honestly. Solly, whoa. Moving on swiftly but surely. Okay, we're alive, barely, nearly died. We're good. That is trademark. Hey juniors, what's up? Don't do a backflip, it helps. I wish. So that would probably actually be the proper end of me, but moving on. Hey Jose, how's it going? Who's in? Hi. Careful, no spamming or else you will get blocked, I'm just saying. Hey Bless! Oh, Blessed Saint, sorry. Blessed Saint, what's up? I hope it's fine if I call you Bless. How you doing? What's going on? Well, right now I can now start looking for some trades. I nearly died, but we're okay. It's been a very weird morning. We're gonna just carry on. It is FOMC today, guys, so we must all be cautious. Maybe I need to stop reading the chat. Wither, hi. What am I analyzing? I'm analyzing the Nasdaq futures. Well, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, rather. Welcome. How you doing? Anyone that's just hopped on, I'm so sorry. This has been such a wild stream and it's only 30 minutes in. Okay. It can only get worse from here. Moving on. Jose, thank you. Rip nearly made my got something in her eye. Mud? No. No. Anyways, moving on. Hey, Red Sun, what's up? Mud Crab, how's my David? Anyway. Fine. Just fine, just dandy. Just absolutely dandy. I mean, if we use this range, maybe this range is actually... I know I must not get stuck on my bull side bias, but it took out some major liquidity on that side. Tapped into the NWOG. This may have been the correct range. The previous range would have been a... If I'd moved to break even, it would have been a break even trade. If I'd left it, it would have been a mitigated by half loss. So either way, a little bit of loss. This could be the London high of the day. Indy, really? So you think this might be going back down? Ooh, maybe it's headed for Asia low. Huh, maybe it's headed for Asia low. Hey, Riff, how you doing? And Poor Spice, hi. Try the S&P futures. That's all you trade. Oh, interesting with it. So I do have S&P 500 open on the other side. I do like how S&P 500 looks. It looks calmer, if you will. Been using Wither? Is that a... what is that? Especially if you're night trading. Well, I mean, I'm in South Africa, so right now it's during the day. That blue color is harder to see the bars that go up. Oh, Joshua, agree to disagree. Sorry, it's more to do with emotions than anything else. Okay. Oh, interesting. Yeah, whether I have seen ES also just looks like it respects levels a little bit better. Nasdaq is a proper diva, but I guess it does mean if you can master NQ, you're good to go. Mudcrab, I have not made any trades, sorry. Give me 2 seconds. My dog's bothering me. I'll be right back. 2 seconds. Okay, I'm back. Looks a bit iffy again today. Mudcrab? Yeah, let's see. What's Mudcrab? Mudcrab is a follower. Yeah, there we go. Moving on. Welcome back, wow. I think, but it just looks terrible and it's hard to initially set up. Like mud crab, have you seen them Tasmanian giant crabs? Yeah, no, so I don't so much use ICT strategy, I use some ICT confluences. I hope that kind of answers that. Oh, sorry, give me a minute. I need to readjust myself. That's not what I wanted to say at all. It's been a very interesting morning, and we are literally only 40 minutes into the stream, but moving on. What trading software am I using? I'm on Project X using Top 1 Futures currently. However, I know Project X is about to be no more, so I do need to move over to, I think, Trading View. You have a pen? Nice. Damn, Mudcrab, you sound like you've lived a very interesting life. I'm not gonna lie. Geordie, what's up? You missed all the excitement of me nearly dying, of me crying. What else nearly happened? I don't even know anymore. But anyways, what up, Geordie? Oh, is that Equilibrium I'm using? No. I use Rhythmic for data feed because it's unfiltered data and is pretty one-to-one. Oh, that's interesting. Recommend trading futures through AMP futures. So Wither, I hear you. However, I am South African, and in South Africa, a lot of prop firms are not allowed. Or South Africa's on the banned list for some reason. I don't know. We bad. Who knows? But there's not a lot of options when it comes to prop firms in South Africa. No, not actually. I laughed at something, and then because I did that, sunblock got in my eye, and then I started crying. It was just a disaster, and we're only 40 minutes into this. There we go. Only true trader. Thanks. Clearing. Been doing it for a while. Small world, yeah. Yeah, with us, unfortunately. Hey, Sir Bull, how you doing? Welcome back. So it looks like this was the range. Damn. Well, no, okay, I'm saying that. That one also kind of respected to a point. Let's see if this continues down. Then we have confirmation that we are going to continue potentially to the sell side. But we gotta keep pushing. Honestly, only true trader. I don't know what we did, but they don't like us, do they? Oh well. Also help them. You could start and. That sounds complicated with it, to be fair. Morris, what's up? And Marcus, hi. To help them add structure onto it. Vincent. I'm gonna have to double check the email. I think it said like March, I think. March or April next year. For quite a few problems. I think it's still gonna be up for top. Yeah, I'm gonna be lying now. Project X is still gonna be working or functioning for which platforms? Does anyone know? Or which prop firms? That would have been a loss. That would have been scary. Cool. I'm not loving this right now. FOMC day. Yay! Rip's gone all quiet now. I'm a little bit nervous. Why is Rip quiet? They might have issues sending money. I'm getting a bank for an LC trading. Ah, there we go. Vincent Bulanox. Do you use Bulanox? Hi, Vincent. How you doing? Small world. I've heard Bulanox is awesome. Well, I've heard. They're one of my affiliates. Or I have the affiliate code for them. The only problem with Bulanox is... not the sign-up fee. Activation fee. The only expensive thing. But otherwise, they actually have some of the cheaper 50k accounts. Oh, your trend line looks in your favor, possibly. Mike G, careful of saying that word out loud. the T word. Oh, interesting though. Huh. You got a point. Geordie shorts are looking. Geordie, how are you feeling, by the way? Sorry, I'm so rude. How are you feeling today, Geordie? Hey Michael, how can I get lessons to learn trading from the beginning? Well, I mean, for anyone that is new, right? Anyone that is brand new, I want to potentially make a series for like the brand new beginners, because obviously I'm not a professional yet, but I know that feeling of starting not knowing anything. So to maybe make some videos for people like that, it would be amazing. But obviously I do not have that now. But if you guys would like to join an amazing community, you're more than welcome to join, and feel free to ask questions. I've missed a lot. It's all in the mind. Mudcrab, that's crazy. It really is a small world. I'm alive. That's all I need to get. Well, I guess true. Okay. Shorts it is. Let's see if it goes past this level properly. I want it to break below this bob level properly. Break below, break below, break below. Because then I can start looking at this. Here we go. Oh no. Let me, sorry. And it still has not broken below. Taken liquidity, but has not taken there. Took there. Three. Okay, it is FOMC day, so I'm a little bit nervous. So I'm literally going to mitigate the risk by half, starting out. Whether you think buy right now, I'm looking for a sell. What's the common question I get? Am I single? No, I'm joking. That's not. Well, I say it. It's not. It is. Okay, Geordie, am I trying this again? Of attempting. Anyways. So we got 5. Let's do 2 to pay the duck. Two here. And potentially 1 runner, but I'm being a little bit over enthusiastic. Maybe it doesn't work. One to 1. Okay, if it hits this level, I mitigate my risk by half. Let's see what happens. You must become one with the chart. You must literally become a line. Edward, that's interesting. I've never heard that. Gold and silver are a very good choice. I might trade. It's money in the last month. Cloak, too much support by only. Am I South Africa? I am! Aaron, I am South African. Only true trader. What is the reasoning for this trade? I got 3 confluences and we're clearly right now going, yeah. Yes, no, maybe. And I'm trying to not be a big baby when it comes to taking the trade like I normally am. And maybe it's a mistake. But like I said, I literally mitigated the risk by half. You can see there's not much going on right now. And there we go. Point is, I had my 3 confluences. I waited for confirmation that we were going down to the sell side. And I placed it. Trying to stop overthinking so much. I'm in at 726. Oh! No ways, Geordie. Are we, like, do we have around the same entry? Where's your TP at, Geordie? Exactly, only true trader. And now I stick with my rules. When it hits the 1-to-1 level, I'll mitigate my risk by half. Or if it hits, let's not be presumptuous. If it hits that level, I mitigate risk by half. And we go from there. Oh, you get me. Thanks, David. Oh, Jordy, you haven't decided yet. Nice, okay. I make up 16k a day trading the asset. Damn! With it? And how much do you lose? Or what's your biggest loss? Okay, there's the 1-to-1 mark. Whoopsie. Nah, wrong thing. Mitigate risk by half. It's going just above. Cool. Now I can place this here. Okay. I have left a runner, just by the way. I have left a runner. Let's see what happens. Buy a little lower where your cursor is. You think down there? Oh, this is break even, by the way. Sorry, there we go. Break even trade. Cool. As long as you're not just... Oh, no. Only true trader? Yes, I made sure there was at least 3 confluences. I did make sure. Clerk, do you think it's even worth trading pre-market being that volatility is so low? Well, I mean, this isn't pre-London. This is London market, right? Do I think it's worth it? I mean... Yeah, I've had some really good trades trading the London session and some awful trades trading the New York session. Sometimes I prefer London. I don't know. It really depends on the day. If you zoom in far enough or close enough, it doesn't look that... Not joking. I'm just messing around. Maybe add a second or third runner. Be greedy. David, no. Don't be greedy. Oh, Mudcrab, you would add another one as well. Look at that. Interesting. Okay, well, you know, one runner is fine for now until I get better with it. The runners have only worked in my favor like twice. So, let's see. Okay. Well, there we go. Now only 1 contract left. But it was a win. Eee! Okay. Oh, maybe I should have put the proper amount of contracts. Oh well. It is what it is. Oh damn. Okay, we're going. Above the swing. Oh, it's not really a swing, is it? But can go there. Geordie. The earnings look for trades during London and sit out New York. Let's see. Hey, High Life, I did. We got this. As long as you break even, let it fly. But then should I keep my stop up here so that it doesn't matter what happens? Or should I be trailing it a little bit more? Rip. What's my target? Good question. That's a very good question, Rip. Ooh, how about this level down here? This is a very juicy level. 697. Yeah? I think 697 is quite a good target. Check at all the sell side liquidity sitting around this area. If I wanted to be greedy, I would say VWAP. But I think 697 is a decent target. No, by the way, when you leave a runner, try always having a larger target, not just fold so you get stopped out, if that makes sense. Well, there we go, right? Well, Well, then let's put it here, right? Limit buy at this level. No, there we go. Yeah, 697.75. Let's see if it goes that far down. If it doesn't, meh. If it does, awesome. Only true trader things. You guys are so sweet. 673, but partial act. Oh, damn. You're looking for 673. Damn, big spender. Calm down. That's crazy. No, I say crazy. That's not bad. Aw, it might take me out. Maybe I'm talking too soon, but it might take me out. It's hitting resistance. I mean, go get your money. Thanks, Delta. Hey, Jules, welcome back. How you doing? Razif, find your target. I'd recommend trailing at 50%. The goal is to take and protect capital. No, that's valid. So I have, basically. Here is my... Oh, my stop. It looks like it might get taken. Let's see. That'll be a beautiful partial. Jeez. Trader, not gonna lie. If you see a hectic pullback, take some off. Pay yourself. There we go. Aww, poop. Okay, well, either way, we're up. Not by a lot. Maybe I should have made it a bit more. Well, just a bit more. But that was a goodie. There was entry. There was exit. Nope. Nope. Oh my greatness. Can we please just cooperate here? Thank you. Ta-da! Cool, guys. And I paid the duck. Let's not forget the most important part. You gotta pay the duck. I feel like I've potentially missed out on this one. 2, 3. I took the low on ES, which means it could be going back down now. This feels a little bit greedy though. This feels like I'm just jumping in. This feels a bit greedy. When I said buy again, you should have bought again. Well, Wither, how far up is it gonna go? Oh no, look at David. David's learning, hey? Jules can't complain. You trade Monday to Friday London session. DML, yes I do. Monday to Friday London session and New York session, by the way. DML. I'm kind of a pro. And you would have sold by now. So whether you do like super quick in and out, go, 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 right? So you proper, I'm assuming you mark it in with it, or how do you do it? David, that's true. That's true. Thank you. And best is take bites, steal the candy bar, not rob the bank. I mean, with a, how many contracts do you go? I'm so sorry, I can't remember if I asked you this. What do you trade again? Whoop, okay. Yep, glad I wasn't greedy. That would have stopped me out. That would have sucked. What did I just do? What did I close? Doesn't matter. Whoop whoop, guys. Okay. FOMC. Good. Thank you, S&P 500. You did mention that. Sorry. Rizzy, thank you. Sorry, Rizzy, I only saw your message now. Thank you. So in a model, once price returns, this original consolidation price will pull back to continue or reverse. Okay, well, Jules, what do you think? I think this is going to continue down, personally, but I'm not sure. What do you think, Jules? Mad crab. Mud crab. Paid the duck. Exactly. I'd wait until that's major. We learn and grow every year. Is it Zaytoti playlist? You are 100% correct. For me, it feels like I learn and grow every day. Every single day there's something new to learn. Can I repeat once what my confluence on the recent trade? Sure. Entry, what was it? So I had fair value gap. I had my shelf. I know a lot of you hate it when I call it that, but my shelf. I had my shelf as, I call it like my cushions. I also had the entry. Open price, not entry price. Open price. And, oh, it was this one here. This tiny little order block over here as well as confluence. So there was actually 4. Yeah. Green trades are us. Wait, Mudcrab, did you have a win? Are we whoop whooping? Zoom out, let's see the model, and we have to compare the ES to determine the continuation or reverse. Here we go. I hope you can kind of see, sorry. Jules, did that help at all? I feel like I've overdone that a little bit. So it did theoretically tap into this shelf. And this shelf. Ah! Respecting these quite hectically to the buy side. Oh damn! Oh damn, here we go. Geordie, are you still in this? Oh no, Geordie, you're out now! I'm so sorry. I feel like I missed something. Why are we threatening to ban people? What happened? I feel like something happened. It's respecting it because the model is complete. Okay, Jules? What do you mean by the model is complete? Sorry, maybe that's a dumb question to be asking, but out of curiosity. Where it last hit lowest was the new market bottom. You with it? I don't know about that, hey? I don't know. Could be wrong. But, yeah. There we go. I'm thinking bearish it is. Whoop whoop mud crab! Amazing! Well done! Whoop whoop indeed. That is amazing. So, there should also be news. Mr. Pato. Yes, there is news. FOMC today. Got taken out of break even, but I'm back in. Nice, Geordie. And break even's fine. Damn, Mudcrab, why are you yelling at me? I hit your break even and drop. No. FOMC, probably bearish AF. Oh, there we go. Oh, my cent. I got an extra confluence, so I'm back in it. Mudcrab, you back in it too? Ooh, nice. It would be funny if there was no rate cut. The bullish sentiment is pretty weak in my opinion. Yeah. Like I said, I'm glad I wasn't greedy and tried to enter in on the next one. It is kind of stuck here, isn't it? Yeah, that would have sucked. It would have taken me out at break even as well. If I'd left my runner there. Swing trading seems terrifying. Just saying. So only true trader? Good luck. It does seem terrifying. Market is setting to buy. It hit low resistance. Opinion on SPY options. Hey, Dr. H. Sorry, I don't have much. You love swing trading. Really, Jules? Swing trading looks terrifying to me. I'm not gonna lie. Do you just like the whole set and forget it situation, Jules? If it goes up a little more, it might rocket. I'm sorry, is David over here learning something about trading? Accidentally? Maybe. That's quite funny. There's a volume imbalance below the relative equal lows. My head is target. I like that. Right, and there's a bunch. Let's check this on a higher time frame actually. So on the high give me a second. Okay, on the higher time frame, I mean, check at this. I almost want to call that just equal lows, not even relative, but I guess they are still relative. Relative equal lows. And like you said, that fair value gaps, imbalance, whatever you want to call it. Oh, were you talking about this imbalance as well? Oh, there is a little imbalance here. This is quite a nice level. I do think maybe it wants to tap into this before it continues back up. What does it look like on the 15-minute? When in doubt, zoom out. Okay, so I see it basically tapped into this order block, but hasn't taken liquidity, hasn't taken this imbalance. What does it look like on the 60-minute? I really would have thought I wanted to tap this fair value gap before continuation higher. See, or at least fill the gap down. Yeah. Let's see. With a, you said it's most likely going higher. And futures or options or just plain stuff. I'm heading to the moon by higher. Come with me, mud crab. Oh, flip. People say there's less emotional impact because you said and forget. Nah, it feels like more having to wait that long. Well, such as strat. Only should try that, I can imagine. Oh, Jules, I did. Sorry if you don't mind. I asked two things. Well, I mean, I have a lot of questions, but I guess number one, which one do you prefer, swing trading or day trading? And number two, what do you mean by the model was complete? I'm sorry if that's a bit of a dumb question. Is it ganja? How long have I been doing this for? Since April. 15-minute fair value gap tapped and rejected with a wick. I mean, David, you're speaking like a little bit of a trade. I'm just saying, just putting it out there. I'm not using indicator. It's long enough, it becomes second nature. Whether, I don't know if I asked how long you've been trading for. Mud crab sea, learning. Day by day. Always something new to learn, honestly. Mud crab, whoop whoop. Oh my gosh, you're having a great day. Look at you go. That's amazing. Back dollars. It's a fun to just full portrait. Go on then. This is a trading stream. It is, Maverick. What's up? Well, it's an eval. But I'm not gonna full port that. Not yet. No, I'm joking. I'm not gonna full port it. Black Shark, what's up? New opportunity coming. 4. For about 10 years, learned from a random person that mentored me. Nice. David has learned, honestly, Jose. Green trades are us. Mud crab, I love it. Okay, I have a used Nintendo Switch. What can you offer me to trade? I don't know. I got a cute little 3D printed, what's it called? Sugar. Oh my gosh, what's it called? Sugar glider. Cute as hell. Net price show its cards. Oh, wait. Is it 4? I didn't mark out the 4. I'm so sorry. Open. Okay. Hasn't taken out lows yet. Took out high. Okay. Like you said, let's let price show its hand, Rip. Oh, Maverick, how dare you? I think my little sugar glider's adorable. Being mean. Maverick, what about the other traders in here? Mud crab? Whoop, what the heck, man? That's amazing. You're gonna go, you know, our drinks on you tonight, today. We're on Wednesday. It's 11:11 in South Africa, guys. Make a wish. I don't know what to wish for, so, you know, someone else can have it. Anyone that knows what supplement to someone for free, or at least trust them with 500, because you should make at least that much in a session. Black Shark, we're gonna be printing. I missed that. It's a new setup, volume coming soon. Nutri Trader, what time is news? Mudcrab, good question. Anyone know what time is the news supposed to be? Ah, there we go. 2? Two PM, damn it. Am I shorting against the market? Well, I was kind of going with trend, and I shorted, and I won. By the top of the last one. You're thinking short there? My wish is to go full street without banning someone. Yeah, damn, I'm pretty sure that's happened before. What did I wish for the lows? Ooh, yeah. Back in 6 hours when New York opens. YB fan? I do. I trade both London and New York session. Wait, I mean, some kind like mud crab. Use the website Forex Factory for news. Ah, thank you, Jules. Whether you think buy around that blue line. Didn't you say short at that blue line? I'm pretty sure you said short at that blue line. Which blue line? This blue line. The VWAP. Right here, you wanted to start dropping. Joe, after the fact, what do the boxes mean? They are bob levels. Sorry, that's some secret sauce stuff right there. But they are bob levels. How am I live on shorts and feed? The Crypto King? I am just that good. Dino, is it not draining you trading London and New York session? Dino, no. I think I'm used to it. What I actually want to do, so I kind of made up my mind. It's gonna be a disaster, but I think it could be quite fun. When I reach 8K subscribers, when I hit the 8K subscriber level, I will do I'm gonna do 24-hour, it's not really a 24-hour stream, basically from Asia Open till New York close. Just short of 24 hours, but essentially I will do a 24-hour stream when I hit 8K. I'm going to need a lot of coffee and a lot of monsters. It's going to be a very long day. Will I trade a lot in it? Probably not. I'm going to have to be a little bit more selective because, you know, obviously tired. And we don't want to make stupid mistakes. But yeah, I think that could be quite fun. Fine now, black shot. Oh, that blue line. You mean the box. Whether it's dropping, whether it's going down. Just saying. I said, you can, Jules. Of course, please, please. Please do. Also, hey, Jules. Did you swap over to YouTube? Thanks, Jose. If anyone else is trading with tops everywhere, have a count that I require. What? Bobsy, what happened? Bobsy, that's not okay. What the heck, man? Back in. Bye, bye, bye. Okay, whether I'm watching. We don't make mistakes, we only learn. Exactly. I'm watching whether I'm watching the buys. Look at it go. Where was that level? Here at 697.75. Yep, that's the level I was interested in. I'm being a little bit sassy. I'm so sorry, whether that was really unnecessary of me. I don't know, but I'm emailing and posting information. Yeah, Bobsy, that's a bit ridiculous. Dino, that's awesome! So I've only been trading since April, actually. So I'm still new at it. Still learning a lot. Yeah, still learning a lot. So only you need to learn and yeah, you need to have better. Yes, it does. Sorry, Jules. It does. Long story short with regards to that, but yes, it is. Well, people buy it. So after the fact, so is this trading? It is. It's a lot of sitting around and waiting, in all honesty, but this is indeed trading. Took the 50% there, however there is quite a bit of resistance. Took out external, so I guess this would be the better one. That would be the better setup. A little bit more confluences. Sorry guys, I'm all jittery today. Maybe I shouldn't have had coffee. Okay. Let's see. And make money at every point. How are you making money? I'm very confused right now, Wither. I'm very confused. Low taken, wish has been granted. No, but it hasn't gone to the other, the 7, where is it? It hasn't gone to my 9.7 level, just saying. There we go, 9.7.75, blah blah blah, that one. I mean, Bobsy, if you are profitable, so I think prop firms are worth it if you're new and you don't want to blow your capital, right? Yeah, I don't know. I'm wondering if it's gonna jump up too high. The better entry would be lower, in all honesty. Would be the other. Man, okay. Pulp Fiction, yes, I'm South African. Trade initially in tax. Hey, Rail, yeah, I'm South African. Oh my goodness. Okay, give me 2 seconds again. My dog is driving me crazy today. Okay, let's see what happens. Literally open the door and he starts barking like a mad. There we go. Anyways. I don't know what he's seeing, but anyways, moving on. South African to living in Sweden. Oh, why'd you move, Pulp Fiction? Sorry, I'm catching up on everything. I don't know if I should be silly now. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, sorry. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Least amount of risk. Whoop whoop. Geordie, I've missed a lot. I'm so sorry. Hi guys, I'm back. But I'm just saying, buy was the go. Carol, I'm currently using Project X, but I know it's gonna be no more soon. But I'm currently on Project X using Top 1 futures. Bobsy, any luck yet? So I have about 40 trends on the one hand. Started life, didn't want to be trapped there. I mean, that's pretty rough. Do you trade as well? What's your thing? Is it Nitin? What about gold? I've tried gold once or twice. In all honesty, I'm still very new. I've been trading since April, and I kind of always started off saying I want to get profitable at one asset before I start jumping around. I have had a look at gold before. I know a lot of people love gold. So I use Tiger Trade options. Oh, nice. Mudcrab, one more candle for another whoop whoop. Mudcrab, are you on fire today? Oops, I've had triple my recommended amount of protein today. David, what happened? Then I'll send you schematics and two. I'm just neatening up. Oh, go for it, Jules. Don't stress. David Games. Without knowledge of the market, yeah, day trading or scalping is more luck to win. I normally use the fib RSI willing bands, but rely investing only in ETFs for a long time hold. Hi, Flow Raider. What's up? Welcome. What's my strategy? It's almost a stupid simple strategy. Hi. Did you get whatever you were barking at? Okay, back down he goes. It's a stupid simple strategy. Essentially it's market auction theory. Shoot, I didn't draw this correctly. Yeah, essentially it's market auction theory. Give me a second. There we go. It uses ICT, damn, and SMC confluences to confirm my trade. Again, it's stupid simple. Top of the range, bottom of the range, 50% is entry, 2R down is TP. This would have missed me by a tick. That would have been annoying. Check at that. Wow. That would have sucked. Maybe the smaller range was the way to go. Oh, shoot. Yep. I did say I preferred this entry. I just didn't like where the stop loss was for this trade. Oh well. You live and you learn. Let's see if this goes down to hit TP. It looks like it's headed in that direction. I miss the youthful mortality mindset. Raymond? Do I have a youthful immortality mindset? I wish. Hey, Big Uzi, how are you doing? How did I get involved in trading? Ooh, good question. So essentially, as you can see, I'm quite nice, so people love to take advantage of me being nice. And then working for bosses means I would do above and beyond the work I should have been doing and not getting paid any extra, where you basically end up working or doing everyone's job but not getting paid any extra. And I was complaining to my friend the one day, and they are traders, and they said, well, if you're keen to put the work in, they'll show me the basics. And one thing led to another. Here we are. And I essentially started the stream, number one, because I am aware that trading can sometimes be quite boring if you're by yourself, just sitting here watching the charts go up and down and sideways. And number two, essentially kind of like a journal journey. If I feel like I've hit a bit of a roadblock, it's quite nice to look back and go, wow, okay, I've grown quite a bit. I mean, last year, this time, I didn't even know what candles were. Literally, I didn't even know what candles were. I didn't even know you could sell and earn profit on the market. I just thought if it was going up, you're making money. If it was going down, you're losing money. So, yeah. Sorry, that was a very long, roundabout way of saying things. I've missed quite a bit. What did David do? Five green trades today, that's it for me, I think. I mean, mud crab? That's a great freaking way of doing things. What the heck? Why aren't your friends in the stream though? Busy, I guess. Jordy, I mean, what do you mean you're my friend and you're in the stream? I'm just saying. Is there currency controls? Yeah, a little bit. Damn, Jules. Jules, this might be a bit personal, but I wanted to ask how old you were. Okay, just looking more correct. I mean, no, this one you said buy here. I would still be in a loss. You literally said buy at the blue line. I would still be in the red. So I'm confused with her. My first time here. Welcome! Thank you. It's been a cracking day. I should try Traders Launch. What's that? VMM? Can you change my name to Mr. Krabs? Oh, please do that. That is amazing. I meant the original Trading Friendies. Oh, wow. Busy? Yeah. So you'll see, like, in the first ever stream, I got, like, earphones in and they're teaching me still. Like, on my first ever stream. Yeah, and then I guess they carried on and now you guys teach me. My greatness. Good luck, everyone. That's your chip now. Thanks, Mr. 420 UK. Like I said, let's see which direction this goes. We are now consolidating a little bit, so it is what it is. Evals live prop firm daily payouts per session in 5 minutes. Literally, VMA, is it allowed in South Africa? I think maybe that's the most important thing. So, like I've missed quite a bit of a conversation going on right now, but it's okay. We're gonna carry on. Market is the same as the last 3 sessions and one. It's gonna drop. US market opens, drop even more. Pat is okay if I call you Pat. Do you think it's just gonna continue dropping during the New York session? Overall trend from that down. Yeah, I know it sounds rough, but when I left South Africa, my world opened up. So South Africa for what it is. Damn, Pulp Fiction, that's rough. Whoa, are you good? What? What did South Africa do to you? Damn. Good grief. Jody? Pundits are scamming people. I don't know. Keep them in business. Damn. YB fan? You're on a mission here. I don't even know what the rest of the conversation's about, but a regular job where I'm very offbeat living on the streets in Cape Town. I mean, yeah, I've never been to Cape Town, to be fair. I sold at the equal highs, 730. Are those the equal highs? Okay. Oh, there, got it. That's a bit of a tricky one, Silent Assassin. I think I should hop out of the way. This could go either way. To me, it looks like it's just kind of consolidating before a major drop down. I could be wrong. It's just because I'm a little bit biased to the sell side right now. So. So left SA, too violent, no future. Rail, where are you now? Hey, house. It's already hit again above where I would have put in my first buy. And now we might be going back down. Okay, my setup is on logging into Discord now. Oh, thanks, Jules. Broke it swim back to the mainland. Price is late. But didn't it take out the lows? Before 5? I'm confused now, Rip. Some days I feel like I understand, and then other days I'm like, okay, nope, maybe I don't. I mean, I'm hating the price action, still don't hate the setup. But I think I'm a tad bit too late to get in on this. Maybe I'm not, but let's rather sit on our hands instead of making a silly decision that might give back all the profit we... I say that. The one problem with mitigating your risk, you mitigate your profits as well. South Africa's open to trade with them. Vime, what are they called again? Give me a second. I'm saying, oh, for continuation. Okay, got it, Rip. Got it. So essentially it's hesitated too long. I don't know. Here we go. I'm not convinced we're not going down. Hey, Speedy, what's up? Okay, my request is pending. Got it. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Jules got it. Hey. Let's see if this goes all the way down to TP. Out of curiosity. Only because FMC usually causes lots of selling pressure to move higher. Down to either a risk interval, December 3rd low, then go up. YB fan, are you good? How long did you know? If someone were a bear, this sort of area to short. If you're wrong from the right place. Cat, I mean, my entry, okay, no, to be fair, I had an entry set for here. You can see it would have missed. It looks like this would have been the correct spot. But as I said, I think I'm a little bit too late to get in on this. I mean, it might wake up one last time, but you don't know. There's no trade for me and I'm getting bored. No, Highlight. Why don't you go, I don't know. Apparently do some push-ups for David, because it sounds like David needs, I don't know, something. Consolidating now, yes. Now I see. My current off. I see funny ticks. I will try them if I blow. Ooh, so the cool thing, so Bobsy, sorry, I know I sound like I'm doing a little bit of a sales pitch right now. The cool thing with funding ticks is, so with like a 50k eval, you know, you normally need 30k, 3k to then be funded. You only need 2.5k with the funding ticks. I think that's quite nice. Mudcrab, indeed. Hey, Gavin. Hey, Gavin, what's up? I wouldn't make a trade until it makes a big move and get the rebound. Like I said, theoretically, I didn't take it though. Well, I had the incorrect range, so it wouldn't have tagged me in. But theoretically, this would have been my trade. But volume has indeed dried up. Let's rather not risk being in the chop, right? Not worth trading in the chop. Let's see where this goes. Again, I still like the 697.75 level. What I need is for someone to take away my bank card. David, why? What's happening? Obviously with which, sorry, the 50k. But I'm sure it's also less with the, I haven't checked, I mean, I haven't bothered checking the bigger ones. But with the 50k, yeah, instead of needing 3k to pass, you need 2.5k. That's quite cool. Man crab, I'll take it. What do you take? Oh, there's bank card. I mean, hell yeah. That's where most traders do wrong. They look at the big swings and the hints for resistance. Obviously, that's fine. $673 is the number. 673, 673. I gotta mark out Geordie level. 673. We got ourselves, no wait, that's for 67333. That's we got ourselves a Geordie level, guys. Let's do this. Cap. Geordie level noted. Believe it or not, I feel a bit, yeah. This here, I mean, it's just relative equal lows. I'ma call it a Maya level. We got a Maya level set up, guys. I'm gonna take it. That's what usually happens to me. I had it for about 12 seconds. It's way different from actual trades and paper trading because your orders have to fill. Yep, 100. My money. Oh, thanks. Fan, how many ticks to which level? YB fan. To get the bigger accounts, I like going in large. Oh, there we go. It's a Geordie level. Yeah. Wait, which one? This? Oh, this level? Is that what we're asking? The Geordie level? I mean, you can't deny this being a resistance level. Obviously, there's some resistance here. I just think it's going to break through it. And maybe I'm wrong. And like I said, I had the wrong range, so it wouldn't have tagged me in. Unfortunately, I now adjusted it. But I wouldn't have gotten into this range. But it's always nice to see if it would have worked out. The Geordie level. From entry. Oh, if I entered here, let's see. Would have been oopsie daisies. Doesn't help that I did that. Wait a second. Let's maybe do that. It is 40. Yeah, you can call it 40 points. 41.75 if you want to be exact. 41.75 points. I mean, 40 points isn't that bad. I mean, it's bad when it stays like this and the price action sucks, but it's not that bad. Oh, from current price, my bad. Sorry, current price to Geordie level is 33, yeah, 33.5 points. Sorry, I know current price is moving all over the place, but I went from the lows. Rip, or not, just go with high probability, nothing wrong with that. Thanks, Rip. Hey, Bob! Why are you still awake? Bob, are you good? Awesome. Oh, my crab? I don't blame him. Have you seen how cute he is? Just saying. Not high probable, just a bold call. Unfortunate favors the bold kids. That's hella ticks for London session. Yeah, no, 100%, but we've all. I mean, the Maya level's just here. From current price, let's see. It's like 13. 13 points. Very much doable. From entry there. So we're kind of messing around now, aren't we? It's fine. It's like 17. Yeah. 17.5 points. It's not bad. I have not seen... Mud Crab? Are you not on the Discord? No, you're not. Are you? No, you're not. Are you? Mud Crab? No, I don't think you are. He's on the Discord. He's on YouTube, Mud Crab. Go check out some of my shorts. And his name is Finn, by the way. Ed. That's kind of funny. No, his name is not Ed. Yeah, and then in depth, you can give me a call when you have some time. Thanks, Jules. I'll definitely. I think it's raining. Give me a second. Cool. Guess who's gonna work the horses in the rain? This guy. Better than working them in the damn heat. Moving on. We can quickly go. Volume is low. It is. Why have you found? Yeah, but we're making that with progress and how far she's. Oh, Mudcrab, you're so sweet. We'll see. A lot of volume spikes for cells. Don't have a Discord. Make one enjoy when I get a chance. I'll show you some of my trades. Ooh, yes, Mudcrab. I mean, that's the whole point of the community. Here we go. I would say, maybe I should have entered, but I mean, this is agonizingly slow. Hi, Life. You in anything, by the way? Bobsy, why do you have two separate YouTube channels? Bobsy? Because I'm a mate. No, I'm joking. Just for fun. Because some people are on their phone, some people are on PC. The phones, it's easier to watch with the vertical. Yes, and obviously PC or TV or whatever, it's easier to watch the horizontal. So it's all about ease. Hi Life, you're just watching. Oh, thank you. So nothing for you. Are we all kind of gonna wait until New York session to see if there's anything real decent? Did I see the 40 diagrams and 2 schematics? Not yet, Jules. Sorry, I'll have a look after the stream. High Life, it's not showing you enough confluence. Were you looking for buys or sells, High Life? Me, I don't know if you asked me or someone else. I'm done. 5 trades all green. I'm done for the day. Oh, that's perfect. Don't worry about it. I'm happy to hear anyone what the plans are now. So you're done for the day. You're not even going to trade New York, Mudcrab. Wait, I guess New York is like bedtime for you. Hey, it's your boy. Welcome. How are you doing? Happy tomorrow Eve. There we go. Aw. Thanks, Rip. After you nearly killed me earlier. Is this you being nice after trying to murder me? I'm joking. It's not your fault. That was pretty funny though. That was pretty funny. I think I'm gonna have to make a short of the disaster that was this morning. It's fine. Jules, sorry. I'm watching Jackson in London and it's gone for both sides. It is in the middle. I've no. Oh damn. High Life. For me personally, I still think bearish. I know a lot of people think it's gonna go bullish, and it might. I still think we're gonna go to the bear side. Nope, not trading New York. Yep. Review loved it. British? Hey, what's up? Hey, sometimes I do trade New York open, but I have work early in the morning. Yeah, Mudcrabs, so I get it. You know, sleep is good. Yo, just spent 9k for Bitcoin. Damn, that's, I want to say that's a lot. I actually don't know. Sorry, I don't know much about Bitcoin, Tobias. Chicago is where the real money is. SMC is way better. Hey, Ahmed, what's up? Yeah, well, that's just not a great place to start for beginners because of, well, you know, if you don't want to blow through capital, I guess you could start with the minis, right? Oh, maybe it is going up. Here we go. Whoop, called that wrong. Sorry. I hope no one listened to me. I say that, watch it go back down. That's now cold, but it's fine. Coffee's coffee. Yes, I know. I would have definitely started with the minis, but is it worth it? I don't know. Be happening. Oh, Mula, why you gotta be such a negative Nancy? I look cool that you have a channel about learning trading much better than the women. Where's Mudcrab? That's hilarious. We'll tell your wife I say hi. That is brilliant. Oh, nah. Hey, Tyson, what's up? David, you just ride as you go and you just hope you stay fine. I've had a lot of buys at this suppose. Minis are all I trade. Minis? Rip, why are you saying... Why are you yelling minis at me? What happened? You were being so nice earlier, now you're yelling at me! Damn! There's money so less risk and can just do more trades. On the telly a couple times, she sees her flight. Aww! Mudcrab, that's amazing! I'll tell your wife she is awesome. And I think you're gonna just have to try and teach her trading so that she can join you. You should start with M and Q, not NQ. Yep, exactly. Which is why, right here, I'm on M and Q, not NQ. Sorry, I have double pressed. I mean, it's better than DID. That would be entertaining. That would be very entertaining. Do you know how rare it is to have DID, though? And here's the manipulation coming through. Anyways, am I targeting... Tyson, to be fair, I was targeting these equal lows. That would have been the go-to for me. I was looking at shorts, but it looks like it does want to go to the buy side now, so I would have been wrong. So I guess... Oh, thank heavens I didn't take that trade. I did have a winning trade earlier though, Tyson, so that was quite cool. You know, FOMC is fun. Ask us anything about trading or ICT. Ahmed, are you asking me? Yeah, so Tyson, I don't know about you. What are you looking for? She's alright, I've tried to teach her a little. She has a short attention span. Ayo. And honestly, it's like trying to teach a kid to drive. Ayo. But in her own words, I'll leave the training to my hubby. That's hilarious. As you can see, my attention's also a little bit all over the place. It's why I do kind of stick to the 1 minute time frames. I know it drives a lot of people crazy. I do check the higher time frames though. I do. It holds my attention a little bit better. And some days obviously the attention's a little bit worse, and some days it's on point. When was it? Was it that Friday that my attention was just there and then I actually hardly spoke to you guys? It's one of those. Either the attention's all over the place or I'm hyper focused. It's very frustrating. It's worth being wrong 82% of the time, no worry. Hey, Mega Olive. I feel like I butchered that, but hi, what is the chart? It's the Nasdaq futures, or the micros to be specific. Writing down on Notepad helps. I mean, yeah, that's actually true. It's the same as journaling, right? Outlook buys once those lows are taken. Yep. There's a 1 hour fair value gap there that price should respect. I'm on the shorts. I'm at the top after taking the HSL now at breaking. Oh, nice, Tyson. Yes, I mean, as you can see, I did have this entry here. I did leave a runner, but it did take me out. But that's a really good entry. Damn, Tyson. This would have been my point of interest. And I do agree, I did see that nice fair value gap on the 1 hour as well. Waiting for that to be filled. And then maybe buys. Who knows, maybe I'm wrong and maybe it just continues back down. Or maybe it just starts going up from here. Either way, this is now just consolidating. And honestly, you're learning pretty quickly. But oftentimes, knife makes you miss a good trade. Yeah, true. I got chopped up yesterday on NQ. It was a tough market. Yeah, listen, I didn't even end up taking any trades yesterday. London or New York session was not a great market yesterday. No wait, there was one trade I wanted to take, but it was before the 10 a.m. news, EST time. And it would have been the perfect trade. Oh well, it's fine. It is what it is. Oh well. Thanks, Mudcrab. You're so amazing. Thank you. Yep, was legs too. Night trading is way better. Smarty, I don't even know what you're talking about, but okay. Thanks, Tyson. You're so sweet. But, well, let's see, Tyson. I still think it wants to go down. This, unfortunately, would have potentially been a break-even trade. Maybe even a little bit of a loss, which would have sucked. Although it does just then mean that on days where it is a bit rangy, either move break even really quickly or don't move stop loss at all. No, not even rangy, sorry. Let's say if it's consolidating. If you get into a trade and it starts consolidating, I must then decide either go break even quicker than usual, get out of it, or just leave stop where it is and you just sit on your hands and wait. Either it takes you or, well, either it takes you out in a loss or it takes you out in a win. What time is it here now? It is 11:56. I hope we get better structure today. Yeah, let's see. I see AMD accumulation information to value gap down to equal lows. It's the hope, Tyson. I feel like this was maybe a bit of a fake out before it dropped lower. But like I said, I do need to, on days like this, sorry, I just realized something. Hey, I would have gotten this entry. Huh. Let me leave this one now out of curiosity. This was the original one, and I said, oh damn, it missed me by a tick, and I didn't get the entry. Let's see if this takes the win. That'll be quite funny if it does. That's my original range and my original entry at the 0.5 level, 718. Sound arrogant, but I don't really care. Made money yesterday too. Yeah, Rip's a bit of a, he's a lot, no, I'm joking. We love Rip. Rip is awesome. But, oh, for anyone that is new, by the way, again, sorry. I know I say this quite often and you guys probably get annoyed with me. What's all that? Too crowded. What's too crowded, High Life? Oh. Never mind. I got it. If anyone does want to join the community, only nice people allowed. If you're gonna come in and be toxic, you're gonna get blocked. I'm just saying. Gotta be strict sometimes. No toxicity allowed. But there is a Discord if you guys want to be part of this amazing community. We're all here to help each other learn and grow and be supportive. That's the point of this community. It's the support behind it. And to share ideas, to share the happy moments and the sad moments. You guys have witnessed my sad moments, my questioning life moments, all of the above. Pulp Fiction, you're from KZN, by the way. How did you know that? But yes. Well, to be fair, I'm actually originally from Pretoria, moved down to KZN recently. I'm gonna take a long on Geordie's line, I think, just to join the fun. Mud crab? Dangerous, but sure. 35% of my losses back and kept my cool, staying positive for next. Damn! I'm calling you boss, is that fine? How long have you been trading for? I mean, speaking of bananas, where's Boom? I mean, Jose, it is like the middle of the night for him. He might be sleeping still, getting ready for New York. No toxicity allowed, damn it. Mudcrab, you fine. You got permission. Okay, let's put it this way. If you're going to be mean to each other, it's fine. If you're mean to me, it is what it is, okay? I mean, Rip today made me cry, nearly killed me. You know, it's been a wild ride. That's hilarious, Pulp Fiction. Look at you go. Victoria, ach, lekker, yeah. Silver is a suggestion. Real, I've heard silver's quite good. David? Music is so relaxing, right, Jules? Okay, cool. Nice to see the original plan working out. So here's the original plan, which means entry would have actually only been here. Everything else would have missed, but here's entry. Let's see if it goes down. Yeah, maybe not. Damn, FOMC, calm down. What just happened? Okie dokie then. Just okie dokie then. Whoa! Cool. So that would have been a loss. What the hell, man? Moving on. Yeah, David. Yeah. I have permission to be toxic. Time to join that Discord. Mud crab. You're hilarious. Did some numbers come out? No idea, Cody. This was crazy. Who knows what just happened? This happened at 5:01. Hourly open? No, that would have been that one. What on earth? Geordie's line, here we come, mud crab. Can you make enough money on day trading to quit your day job? I think eventually, yes. I'm not profitable yet, by the way. Be careful, your chart is consolidating down. Oh, hiccup. Orders at 50 probably want to be taken out. That is news. Honestly, Mudcrab, but what news? Who knows? Does anyone know what just happened now? Bobsy, indeed, wow. Ngale, what time does London session begin in South Africa? 10 AM. Earnings. Oh, thanks, Tyson. It's earnings. Getting support on the one day. Most recent one. Blah, blah, blah. Order flow. Torches have low probability today. Elevator music all the way up. Jose, that's amazing. I think Maya will help me, David. She'll rescue mission me. If you ban me, I would. We like Mudcrab. Mudcrab can stay toxic and all. Okay. That was fun. That was a wild ride. Yeah. And now it's gonna go back down. Just had to sweep that internal liquidity. Oh, I'm wrong, and it's just gonna continue to the buy side. Let's see. Pulp Fiction wouldn't just be easier to make money off Bitcoin. I don't know that much with regards to investing. Pulp Fiction, in all honesty. Hawkish turn from Fed. Ah. Oh, thanks for the new subs, by the way. Oh, be careful, we'll drop. Oh man, I love looking at this chat. It's hilarious. One person saying bye bye bye, another one saying sell sell sell. You just there going, okay. Hey, where do I live? Like, do you want my street address? Like, my street address? It's going up. We need to complete the huge model. Oh, okay, Jules. I'll do a call on silver. I haven't even looked at silver, to be fair. Jules now says potentially going up. That was very entertaining. That was very entertaining, guys. Mud crab Maya, I think it's short. You think it's short. Oh, but I'm from South Africa. I would buy again, doesn't it? Induct. Yep. Indeed. Okay. Now that stuff has hit the fan, I don't want to go because I want to see where this heads, but I know I have to go. I need to go see the horses, I need to go touch some grass before New York session. Do we think New York's going to bring anything decent because of FOMC that's in the PM? I don't know. Maybe it's going to be amazing. Maybe it's going to be absolute garbage. We're going to have to find out. I gotta say, I look like Cinderella. Oh, thanks. Except Cinderella's blonde, eh? No, I'm South African. 1 hour favorite again. Has to be full to confirm orders going into the New York market. Hey, okay, Tyson. You're still in this, Tyson, right? Are you trailing? Okay. I could get stuck here forever. Again, I think it's a cool idea. I think some of you will be very much against it, but I think when we reach 8k subs, I will try, again, quote unquote, 24 hours, because it's not exactly 24 hours, but I will attempt... I'm gonna regret this decision, but it's fine. I will attempt a 24-hour stream, basically from Asia Open to New York Close. It's gonna be lots and lots of fun. Rail, it sucks. Not gonna lie. Okay. Hey, it's going back down. Just saying. I mean, it would have screwed me first, but let's see. No, let's go. Let me leave. I'm getting all distracted. I love you guys madly. I will be back for the New York session. Let's see what New York brings. I mean, today was lots of... This is one of the craziest streams we've had. Hey, it's going. Look at it go. Is it going to the Geordie? Hi. Goodness, you came running in here. Are you okay? Sorry. I'm sprinting in. What's up? Just my little baby dog. It's about to hit the Maya level. Just saying. Back down. Oh, no. Hit that resistance level. I am getting distracted again. It's bad. It's bad, bad. Come on. Touch the Maya level. Let's go. Go. Okay, no. I'm gonna go. I'm yelling at myself to go now. Okay, I love you guys madly. I'll be back for the New York session. Hopefully I'll see you guys there. Yeah, yes, we've got this. Trade safe, guys. Today's FOMC, like I said, trade safe. If you have to sit on your hands or lock yourself out, do it. But I'll be back for New York. I love you guys madly. Thank you for the love and support, by the way. If you guys want to show some more love and support, you're more than welcome to use my code. It's TeachMaya with any of the affiliates, no, not the affiliates, the prop firms, English, any of the prop firms in the description below. But yeah, I love you guys madly, and I will be back tomorrow for some of you, later for the rest. New York session, 9:15 a.m. Let's do this. I love you guys. Bye.